Hello everyone. In this session we will see how we can send push notification and data message on Android, iOS or websites using FCM in C#. Let's start. First, for sending notification, you have server API key and sender ID, which you can generate from the Firebase for your app. I already generated server API key and sender ID of app and copied it on Notepad file. I will show you my notepad file. This is my server API key, this is my sender ID, and this is my user FCM token, which is generate automatically when new user install app. Let's minimize the notepad file. Now I will show you my code. In the web config file, I saved my server API key and sender ID. This is my send message API. You can see this is my notification data which I want to send this data as a notification to the users. In this data you can make multiple custom tags, like if you want to send a tag like status tag, then you can make it like this. In this two tag you have to provide a single user FCM token, and this user FCM token character length is 150 to 180. Now, if you want to send this data notification to a multiple users, then you have to change this two tag to the registration ID tag. Just change this two tag name into the registration IDs and change this user FCM token to this list of user FCM token. In this user FCM token list, you can contain thousands of user FCM token. But remember one thing, in one request Firebase only accept 1000 user FCM token, means you have to send only 1000 user FCM token in single request. Now our data is created. Let's proceed to the next step, which is to convert this data to a byte array. This send notification function converts this data to a byte array. First serialize the data into a JSON and then convert the data into a byte array using getBytes function. Byte array is created of the data. Let's proceed to the next step, which is make a request to a Firebase. This send notification function creates the request and send it to the Firebase and get the response from the Firebase. Let's open. Now first we get the server API key from the web config file, get sender ID, create a request, https fcm.googleapis.com/fcm/send. This is post request. Content type is application/json. Create two headers of server API key and sender ID. Get content length. Create an object of data stream. Write our byte array into a data stream. Get the response from the Firebase. Read the response and close all the instances which we created. Now this whole code used for creating the request to the Firebase. Let's send a notification to a user. Put a breakpoint here and now debug it. Let's get the API name which is send message, copy it, and now paste it, hit enter. Click on step into, data is created. This is our notification data with a message tag, name tag, user ID, and the status, and this is two tag of user FCM token. Serialize our data into a JSON, get the byte array, get the server API key, sender ID, create a web request, get content length, get the response from the Firebase, read the response. This is our multicast ID. If we send notification to multiple users, then accordingly how much notification sent successfully to the users count show here, and how much notification failure count shows here. This is our message ID. Let's close the Internet Explorer. So in this video we saw how to send push notification on Android, iOS or web using FCM. This whole code is available on my article. Article link is available in the video description. If you have any query related to this video, feel free to comment in comment section of video. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.